In this video tutorial, I will show you how to migrate your FireGUI project to your preferred hosting or server, both files and database, obviously. So let's create a new project. Call it John CRM. After the project is ready, we can proceed to the next step. So now, in our projects page, be sure to be connected to the project you want to migrate, in our case, John CRM. For this tutorial, I will install a module, just as a sample, and to not have an empty project. Let's click Install. Okay, done. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, now we're ready to start migration from the FireGUI hosted project to your preferred host. So click on the three dots here, choose Download Project Source, and wait until the download has been completed. Once you've downloaded it, go to your downloaded file and extract it. Now place all of these files into your server folder in your preferred host. Be sure to also copy these hidden files. If you don't see that, enable the option Show Hidden Files in the Windows folder settings. In this video, I'm using XAMPP on Microsoft Windows with a localhost Apache server, but this procedure is similar for other operating systems or environments. So let's place these files into C drive XAMPP. Now we have to create a user and a database to connect. I prefer to use phpMyAdmin, but feel free to use your preferred database management system. So, my user, any host. My password here. Okay. Now create my database. Okay. Now we're ready to complete the migration. Navigate through the host in which you've uploaded all files before, in my case localhost, and go to the install folder. If all of the requirements meet your server configuration, we can proceed to the next step. Provide here your database configuration such as username, password, database name or event, and the host and port if needed. Then click Test Connection to be sure your settings are right. If so, a new button, Import Database, will be shown here. Click on it to load the database. Now you can click on the button Open FireGUI Client, and your client is ready to be used on your server. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the subscribe button and the bell below, and feel free to ask comments if you need help. All links are in the description below. See you in the next videos!